Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today we will see how we can increase our level in different categories. You can see there are farming, cooking, woodwork, grandeur, forestry, ceramist, beekeeping, aviculture, slugger, and even mining. And apart from that, I have got 7 level in beverage master means wine making. That too is important. So while you are playing pixels, you must keep that in mind that you are here to keep your level in all aspects, all categories, not only in farming. This is not a out and out farming simulating game. There are lots of other farming simulator game, but this is not. You have to keep on increasing your level in all the aspects so that you will be eligible to get good airdrop, and as your levels will be increasing, you will get lots of benefits out of that. First, we will start with beekeeping. I have come here. Now I will collect honey. Yes, the first thing I got today morning that I collected honey, three honey, and you can see my beekeeping level. I am all only in zero level, but still I am trying to increase my level as fast as possible. Now I will show that how we can increase our XP and gain some berries while we will be out of energy. That's the important thing. But first I will collect some eggs. You can see that agriculture I am in level 2, and I will collect 2 eggs. Nice. Then I will come to this mine. Yes, I have collected 3 ironite and click to start. After 1.5 hours, I will be able to get another 3 ironites. Now I will share this. My first job is to share this. Okay. Then I will show you. Okay. But this thing I can share. I don't have enough inventory, enough space in my inventory, so I cannot share those clover seeds. But I will throw away this one jumbo strength potion, and my inventory will be empty with one place, and I can share that. But this is not important right now. What I wanted to show you. Okay, first let me consume all my energies. So best way, if I sow some crops, what you sow, so you reap. That's the old adage we know. So I am sowing those crops. This is butterberry, and you can see still some 40 energy are left. But before going much forward, I must water this first. So this will consume some energy. Yes, perfect. Hope I have watered all the places. Now I will come here and sow some few butterberry. Okay, my energy is out. Okay, I am out of energy. Right now, what to do? Usually, what we used to do after we lose our energy? We have to wait for couple of minutes, or we have to be idle to gain some energy. But here we have some hacks. We will just come to this house. Every Almost every land has a house, and inside of that house you can come. This is cooking equipment, so you have to provide 6 softwood. Yes, I have given. Now click on that, click to cook. You can see there are 4 options been available, and the most important part of this thing, while you will cook, your energy will not be consumed. This is the only action you can do without consuming any energy. Apart from that, whatever you do will take your energy. Your energy will be consumed. So this is the best way to regain your energy and keep on increasing your berries. So while you are crafting, first I will craft some pancakes. It will take 2 butter berries and 1 egg. So it's simple, and more of that, it will give you good amount in bucks galore. So you are earning, eventually you are earning berries. Now collect. Okay, it will give you 10 XP every time you will craft or you will cook this, and you'll get some good berry as well. So this is after this pancakes cooking, I will try another thing. Collect. Okay, popberry pie. For popberry pie, you can see that I have to use 2 popberries and 1 cooking mix. I already bought this cooking mix from Bucks Galore, so I can use this, and it will give you 10 XP. It will take 24 seconds. Create. Just wait for a while, and it will be ready. You can see in the background my energy is not consumed, it is increasing slowly. If I eat this, it will give me enough boost up to my energy, but even if I don't eat, it will be ready for sale at Bucks Galore. Let's collect. Okay, let me show you. This is cooking energy. You can see 49.6 out of 430, 487. So another 437 XP is required, and you can see 1.57 energy is left. So I am clicking it. Okay, and trying with a popberry pie craft. You can see still 1.57 energy left. The work is in progress, and wait for another 10 seconds or so. Then we will be good to collect it, and we will once again check it that it is boosting our. Yes, ready to collect. Collecting it, right? Crossing it. Look, cooking XP has increased to 59.6. As you know that 10 XP has regained, and you can see 2.11 energy is there, but I haven't used it. And there is another thing you can craft, that is popberry loaf, but I don't have that flour right now. If I have that flour, if I had that flour, I could use this I could have used, but my inventory is also full. That is one point, but I don't have that. So, what you can do? Well, I'm doing one pancakes, and then I will explain that what you can do, creating your popberry loaf, and for that popberry loaf, you will gain 24 XP. That's good amount. Fine. And there is another option is plain omelette. I am not going to do it because it will take 2 eggs and your 2 XP will be gained only. So I'm coming out of this cooking area, and I will just show you how you can create your flour. But okay, definitely I will show you. This is flour. I can collect a flour even, but the thing is that, oh, that was my bad, that I took this, but I have forgotten. Just go back, go back to Terravilla, and I will throw that jumbo potion so that my inventory will be empty for one place. Here, throw away. Nice. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, better if I go there, if I collect my flower. Excellent. And for that flour, you have to use two grain bowls. If you use two grain bowl every time, you will get 12 XP. Your grandeur XP level will be increased, and definitely mind it. This while you will use this grandeur, your energy will be consumed. Only the cooking thing will not take any energy. So this is fine. I have got one flour. Now let's try if I can cook one popberry loaf. Let's see. Yes, I am having all the ingredients. So let's try, and you can see I will get 24 XP, and it will take 1 minute, say for 1.5 minute, and it's excellent thing. After I cook this, I will go back to Terravilla, Bucks Galore, and I will check that how much I'll gain after selling those. Just wait a bit so that we can see. While we were waiting for our XP, for our energy to be increased, we have cooked something, and now we are ready to sell those at our at Bucks Galore. That's a very, very nice thing to do while you are sitting idle. Just 30 seconds more, and we are ready to go. This is very interesting game, Pixels. You have to keep all the aspects at your mind, and you have to work accordingly. Otherwise, if your one particular department increases in level, some say for farming, if in farming you have increased your level a lot, but in other aspects you are lagging, it will not help you anymore. Okay, I have got popberry loaf as well. Directly jumping to Terravilla. Still loading. Okay, bucks galore. Nice. Sell. Look, pancake. Each pancake I will get 10. Each popberry pie I will get 17. And one popberry loaf I will get 35. That's huge. Okay, I am selling. Just a moment. I am having 7087 berries right now before selling anything. Now I am starting to sell 32 pancakes I have cooked. So I am selling those and I will get 320 berry. Now I will sell 8 popberry pie and I will get 136 berries. And I will sell one loaf. Nice. You can see that 7578 berries I am having currently. That's good, right? We are increasing slowly but steadily. If you like this episode, please do subscribe and do share among your Pixels friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.